Example 2. Two spur gears have 24 and 30 teeth. One clamp equals to 10 mm. Standard addendum, one module. Pressure angle equals to 20 degrees. Find the length of arc of contact and contact ratio. Capital T is 30, small t 24, M is 10 mm, addendum 1 module, that is 10 mm. Pi is pressure angle, pi 20 degrees. Length of arc of contact R is mt by 2 equals to m, that 10 30 by 2, that is 150 mm. Random circle radius of gear R is R plus random of gear, that is 150 plus 10, 160 mm. Pitch circle radius of pinion small r mt by 2, 10 plus 24 by 2, that is 120 mm. Random circle radius of pinion R plus random of pinion 120 plus 10, that is 130. Length of path of contact, square root of R square, R minus R square, cos square pi, plus square root of small r square minus R square, cos square pi. Minus R plus R sin pi. Square root of 160 square minus 150 square, cos square 20, plus 130 square minus 120 square, cos square 20, minus 150 plus 120 sin 20, equals to 48.04 mm. Length of arc of contact, length of path of contact by cos pi, 48.04 into cos 20, that is 51.12. Contact ratio, length of arc of contact by circular pitch, that is 51.12 IM.